Medical College and KM Hospital. Let me first congratulate you on your success and many a times not pay at all. All these professions today are perceived very differently. The society feels that these professions have become commercial. A good doctor-patient relationship can be maintained by transparency in the process, good behavior, and good communication. Never think yourself as God. The patient may make you feel that you are God. And don't have ego when you are dealing with patients. And if you follow these principles, you will never have problem. No beating up doctors and all that will happen ever. You know the motto of our college, which is there, here, everywhere you will find this non-sibi sed omnibus. That is not for self, but for all. Now to achieve this motto, what all you need to do? You need to do a balancing act of gaining medical knowledge, acquiring skills and clinical acumen, and very importantly, acquiring noble virtues. And which are those? Selflessness, caring, dedication, devotion, with a humane approach to patient and community. So to be a humane, having humane approach is important. And that's how you become a successful doctor. A successful doctor is not the one who is a gold medalist, has got highest in anat, physio, biochem, whatever clinical subjects. Not the one who earns a lot of money, but is the one with whom the patients are comfortable, and who thinks of the welfare of the patient and doesn't think that medicine is commercial. So that is being a good, successful doctor. Let me also welcome you to the subject of anatomy, because anatomy forms the foundation of all branches. So unless your foundation is strong, you don't become a good doctor. So it's very important from day one that you need to master or read the subject. Every batch is special. The last batch, 2019, 2020, to be remembered as COVID-19 batch. And you know why you are special? Because you are the COVID vaccine batch. So I remember you like that, COVID-19 batch and COVID, all of us have taken vaccine and still paying, you know. So we have all, I'm trying to get vaccinated. In the last batch, competency-based curriculum was introduced. And in this batch, the pandemic module has been implemented in the curriculum. So that's a new topic which has been added. You know, you become breathless when you're talking to the master. Phew. Now that you have got admission, I can assure you that you will all become very good doctors. But to be a good citizen, you have to remember, for any transformation to happen in any country, there is a very well-established formula. And you know the formula? It's a well-established. It's called MPH. Now what is M? M stands for meritocracy. That is, select the best. P stands for pragmatism. It's an English word. To select the best ideology. And what is H? H stands for honesty. To be honest. So if you follow this formula once you are becoming a doctor, this MPH formula is known to have transformed many third world countries to first world country. One very good example is that of Singapore. So you are our future. I always look at you, every batch which comes as our future. And as you blossom, incorporate this MPH formula in your life and transform this country into the very best in the world. I wish you all the best and thank you very much.
Let's have the staff slideshow, and we'll invite staff to speak a few words. I'm the next one. So this is who I am. My name is Praveen Iyer, and I have been interacting with you all since the last 3 days virtually, and you are seeing me here live. And I've been interacting with you since morning. So formally, on behalf of Department of Anatomy, I welcome you again to our institute, and we will be soon interacting day in and day out. with respect to all events, not only academically in anatomy, but also related to technology. And anatomy forms the foundation. So therefore, I'm pretty sure that if you excel in anatomy, you will excel in life. So welcome and thank you. Dr. Rashmi Patil.
That's how I look. Probably hope so. You will find me in this position soon. But since masks are mandatory, you will be seeing me like this. So welcome to this batch, unique batch, as Madam has already said. You have taken admission in 2020. Your course, the academic course of first year will be in 2021. And even though you are called as 2021 batch, your exams most probably, or rather, it will be in 22. So 3 years. So that's why unique batch, COVID vaccine batch, as Madam has said. So welcome and congratulations to all of you for securing admissions here. Thank you.
Hi everybody, welcome to the Department of Anatomy, and welcome again. Congratulations to all of you for coming to the GS Medical College. We'll see you in the coming ahead days. Welcome you. Let's have Dr. Rajneesh Pandey from upstairs in Theatre 3. So we'll require feed from Theatre 3.
Yeah. Good afternoon, everyone. MLT.
Yes, we can see.
Okay. So I'm Dr. Rajneesh Pandey. I welcome you all, and wish you good luck for your stay in the this State GS Medical College. Thank you.
Hello everybody, I'm Dr. Sikandar Banu Erolvi, working as a Associate Professor in the Department of Anatomy. So today is your first day in this professional college. Many must have dreamt to got admission in this prestigious institution, that is St. GS Medical College and KEM Hospital. You have worked hard in this pandemic situation. Congratulations for that. So your half of the path is done, but there is much more to go. I'm sure you are going to learn, enjoy with your hard work and by maintaining your etiquettes. It will also help us to follow the preventive measures of COVID-19 for your safety and for safety of others. A warm welcome to all. Thank you.
Hello everyone, I am Dr. Abhijit Dende, Assistant Professor in Department of Anatomy. I congratulate you for your success in these NEET exams and I welcome you to these twin institutes.
Hello dear students, my name is Dr. Anjali Vishwanath Tellam. I am Assistant Professor of Anatomy. Congratulations on your well-deserved success in NEET exam. A very warm welcome to all of you to these twin institutions. We are very happy to have you all here. We are eagerly looking forward to have interactive academic sessions with you all. Happy learning. Thank you.
Good morning all, I am Dr. Shobha Gaikwad. I am working as an assistant professor in the Department of Anatomy of the same institute. I welcome you all in this most prestigious Twin Institute and congratulations to the entire batch. The message which I would like to give on this occasion is that be sincere and hardworking, and the success will be yours. Thank you.
Hello, I am Dr. Dhaval Patil, an assistant professor in the Department of Anatomy. First of all, I would like to congratulate you on your success in the NEET exam, as well as extend a warm welcome to you in these prestigious twin institutions, St. GS Medical College and KEM Hospital. Secondly, looking forward to interact with you in various lectures and practicals. Thank you.
Good morning all. I am Dr. Sarita Bhardan, working as Assistant Professor in Department of Anatomy, St. GS Medical College. I welcome you all and congratulations for your achievement. Thank you.
Good Good morning, students. I'm Dr. Kruti Tapewala. I'm working as an assistant professor in the Department of Anatomy. A very warm welcome to one and all, and many congratulations for your achievements. I wish you all a fruitful, enjoyable, and safe learning. Thank you.
Hello everyone, myself Dr. Junaid Labbai, Assistant Professor in the Department of Anatomy. Congratulations to everyone and we welcome you all in this institution.
Good morning to all. I am Dr. Ashwini Mulya. I am Assistant Professor in the Department of Anatomy. Congratulations to all of you on getting admission in one of the best medical colleges in the country. Also, welcome to the first year of MBBS. Thank you.
Hello students, and myself Dr. Choki Parvez. I am Assistant Professor in this department. Welcome to this prestigious institute.
Good morning. I am Dr. Pampi Ranjan, Assistant Professor in the Department of Anatomy. First of all, a very heartiest congratulations to all of you for getting selected in this premier institute, for becoming the part of medical fraternity, the frontliners, the doctors. All the very best for your future. Thank you.
Hello everyone, I am Dr. Sarika Indurao Dakre, working as an assistant professor in the Department of Anatomy at St. J.S. Medical College. I first congratulate you and welcome you all to the prestigious Twin Institute, St. J.S. Medical College and KEM Hospital. I remember sitting where you are now on my first day of college. I was new in the city, nervous and confused, but over the time I found my place. I got close friends, new memories and lifetime experiences, and we all help each other through that journey, and I am sure you will do the same. Today I will like to share with you that you all are here all about to devote your tremendous amount of time and energy over the next 5.5 years to around 12 to 13 years on something that is not enough. So be ready for that, and all the best. Believe me, this will be the best side of your life. Thank you.
Good morning to all of you. I am Dr. Kavita Kokne, final year PG resident in Department of Anatomy. First of all, congratulations and welcome to all of you, and all the best for your bright future. Thank you.
Hello students, I am Dr. Vivek Hingmire, final year resident. Welcome to Department of Anatomy, St. J.S. Medical College, Mumbai. Congratulations on your great achievement. I wish you all the best. Thank you.